Welcome back to Droflic. I am still on the quest for top speed. So what I'm doing today is putting on some spark plug coil boots to see if I can get a little difference in top speed. So of course you got to take the tank off to do it. So let me just pop it on real quick and take it on a cruise. So it was a little more fairing removal than I thought. So what I did was I went in and removed the whole tank instead of just lifting it. And so after disconnecting everything, it looks like this on the inside. So you just want to unplug them, pull them out, and throw the new ones in. This is the old one, and here's the new one. So pretty simple, not rocket science. Just make sure they're plugged in nice and tight. And you're good to go. Okay, it's all done. Idling pretty good. The only way we're gonna know is by riding it. Let's go. I think I'm gonna start buckling up as soon as I put the helmet on. Maybe that'll make a difference, because I usually put it on and start adjusting cameras and doing all kinds of other stuff and end up leaving without buckling. So my initial impressions on the ignition coils is it feels the same. Exactly the same. It feels like it's kind of still starving for a little bit of power. So, oh no. There's a lot of play in my throttle here. I wonder if that's an issue as far as power. Don't know. Another reason I don't want to go top speed right now is I don't have any paperwork on me for this bike or anything. Kind of leave it all in my toolbox, and when it's time to ride I'll stick it in my pocket. But today don't have none of that, so just kind of gotta take it easy.